need it. Money is also it is a blessing, no? If you have money, you are blessed also. But that is not always basing on money. Although every move now we need money naturally. Money can give us happiness. They say that again. I will quote this as I said the other day. We cannot buy happiness, but this saying is something confusing, because how can you not buy happiness? When you go to travel, you need money. Okay, when you buy something, you need money, and when you buy something, you are happy. So meaning you buy happiness, right? I mean, practically, no, really, in reality, it is true, no.